Guys, this is what we were going to do, but we couldn't in class. So you will have to do it for next week. Next Wednesday we'll check it. Okay? So in this one you had to listen. So you click here, you listen, and you say the number of each picture. She wants to do Kung Fu. Wanting to do Kung Fu. Okay, you look at it and you number. Then here we have sentences about Mulan and her father. He wants to get his horse or fight. He doesn't want to get his horse or fight. We have to make true sentences about Mulan and about her father. She wants to water the flowers or to do Kung Fu. She doesn't want to. Okay, so you match this and then listen and check. And the last activity we're going to do is going to be number 3, up to here. Okay, make true sentences about your friend. Write only 2 sentences about a friend of yours. One with he wants to, or she, sorry, and then a negative sentence saying he or she doesn't want to. Okay, you invent those. Okay, we'll check this also next Wednesday. Okay, have a nice week. Bye bye.